Vincent Ochieng Odhiambo, the Disaster Response Team Leader for Nairobi County. This annual Fire Safety Week is a week that we always say is to support the community, know how to prevent, protect themselves against fires, and to be able to save lives. So this week has been a success for us because we have been able to stretch ourselves and meet all the informal settlements and just be able to simulate to them how best they can be able to prevent even the smallest fire that they can be able to do in the household level.
So just to also emphasize that I think the centerpiece of this Fire and Safety Awareness Week is to promote community resilience in combating disasters and emergencies. And we know that a lot of times the fire incidents that occur and the burns that arise out of that come about as a result of human error. You know, just cases of mishandling of cooking appliances, illegal connections. So to a large extent you find that even as the health sector, the burden of cost arises because of preventable instances.
We had been going to the community to train them on community fire prevention. And before we started that, there were several numbers of fires in a day, 3, 4, 5 fires in a single day. But when we started going to the community, training them on how to fight a fire when it is still a baby, we also trained them on how to call fire station when there is a fire outbreak. Because of those trainings, we have managed to reduce the number of fires maybe to 1 in a day.
We were able to support in streamlining the success of this event by being able to coordinate the community-based disaster responders who are able to mobilize a subject of the community who are the first people who are affected when disaster occurs.
So these trainings whereby we train the community how to use the locally available resources, and we always tell them that resource number 1 is you yourself, followed by the things that are allowed you like blankets, the soil, water. They are able to reduce the number of fires.
So for us, we want to just urge members of the public that let them take fire safety seriously, let them practice proper handling of appliances, let them be the first responders or managers of disaster. By so doing, we even lower the cost of healthcare, and you're able to redirect some of these resources to more productive sectors, engagements that can advance their own well-being and their livelihood.
What I urge the community is that they are the first ones when disasters occur, and we insist that they should be able to embrace these prevention measures so that they can be able to contain or reduce the impact that affects them within the community. And this one brings us back to making sure that they are resilient, to be able not to wait for the fire engines, the ambulances to reach the scene, but they can be able to manage it as the emergency services arrive to the scene.